because we're doing museum. We're doing a museum today, and then we're gonna explore around like the Grand Central Market, potentially like Little Tokyo. We're doing the Broad. There's this Angel's Flight that we're gonna try, and then what else? What else are we doing? And then we're doing Porto's Bakery today. We're gonna try it out. My friends have recommended that, and then we're also gonna try out this coffee shop. It's called Kumquat Coffee. I'm just getting ready. We've been doing like late getting ready. Like it's, what time is it? 9? It's 9 a.m. and I just finished showering and now I'm doing my makeup. Usually we would like get ready super early and then leave as early as we can. The first place we're going to is the coffee shop, and then we're gonna go to Porto's Bakery, and then we're gonna head down to where the Broad is, because Grand Central Market, like the Angel's Flight, they're all in the same area, so we're just gonna wait till we have to go. We're probably gonna have lunch there because our ticket for the museum is at 1:15, so we gotta be in that area. We ordered Tennessee iced latte, and TJ said, is it good?
It's the only 10 I see.
Your rating out of 5?
Like 8.5.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm ready to try it.
What, is it an 8.5?
What is it? Oh my god, this is actually good. I ordered a morning bun as well. A cinnamon morning bun. And let's try it. That was good. It's so flaky. You guys see that? Sorry, you're crooked. We're gonna head to Porto. We're gonna try the cheese bread that everyone's just raving about. And then, I don't know what we're doing after. Stay tuned. It's beautiful outside. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, because I forgot my mic. This is TJ. Right there is TJ. And we're just walking to Porto's right now. There's a lot of like food places here, which is kind of nice. Oh, that pizza looks good. I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. Okay, we're trying the cheese rolls first.
Yummy.
That is pretty good. Every bite, look at each other. I ordered some guava lemonade as well.
Creamy. Awesome.
That's pretty good. That's you vlogging.
Yes, we are at the bra. And it's so nice here. We're lining up for the film, and here's a... I accidentally pressed the button instead of turning around, so here. How the heck did they do this to the whole...
I am sleepy. I want to take a nap. My pimple popped, so now it's like it's gonna make a mark right here. So sad. Oh my god. Whoa. They're just staying here.
It's so bright.
Joe, it's so chirpy. Babe, don't go on the edge. Oh my god. Oh. Bro. It is. Okay, we're going up, 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 up to the actual stuff. It's a high one. Look.
It's like a hole.
It was very trippy. You were in there for a minute and it's just you, which is nice because you can take as much pictures in like a minute. So
Take a picture.
it's kind of nice. Ayoko, Mom. I'm scared. Let's go.
Getting really bored.